Officer Anderson's report, I found quite a few errors, one being punctuation. There were some spelling errors and a few grammar errors. Mainly, though, with his report, there were quite a bit of important information missing. For example, he doesn't give the name of the bar, nor does he give any full names of any witnesses he talked to. He doesn't give a precise time frame for the time he got there and what happened during the time he was there. He also gave his personal opinion about what should happen to the supposed suspect, which I don't think is professional for a police officer. I guess one way that you could help him with his writing skills is maybe send him to a writing class, or definitely make sure he continues to do more writing reports so that he can get a good practice and a better understanding of how it should be done. But overall, the report was okay, but it did need some work, and there are some things that Mr. Officer Anderson could do differently. This is Anthony Peterson, final assignment, week 6, my video.